Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the stars? Perhaps you've questioned how a tiny seed grows into a giant tree. This is the power of curiosity. It drives us to explore, to understand, and to ask questions. Critical thinking is like a superpower fueled by curiosity. It helps us look beyond simple answers. It allows us to see the world in new and exciting ways. With critical thinking, we don't just accept things as they are. We dig deeper. Think of a detective solving a mystery. They don't just focus on the obvious clues. They look for hidden patterns and connections. They ask questions that others might miss. That's what critical thinking is all about. Critical thinking is essential for everyone, not just detectives. It helps us make better decisions, solve problems, and understand complex issues. It's a skill that can be learned and improved with practice. So embrace your curiosity and let critical thinking be your guide. Imagine you see a magic trick. The magician makes a rabbit disappear. Do you just say, "Wow, magic," or do you ask, "How did they do that?" Critical thinking encourages us to ask how and why. It's not about finding the right answer immediately. It's about asking the right questions to lead us to a deeper understanding. When we ask questions, we challenge our own assumptions. We start to see things from different angles. For example, why do we recycle? Is it just about saving the planet? Or are there economic reasons too? Asking questions helps us uncover the why behind the what. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion to get to the core. The more we question, the more we learn. So the next time you encounter something interesting, don't be afraid to ask questions. Challenge yourself to think critically. Our brains love taking shortcuts. We make assumptions based on our experiences and what we've been taught. However, these assumptions can sometimes lead to biases. Critical thinking helps us recognize these biases. It encourages us to question where our beliefs come from. Are they based on facts, or are they influenced by our upbringing or culture? Let's say you hear a news story about a scientific breakthrough. Do you automatically believe it? A critical thinker would consider the source. Is it a reliable news outlet? Have other scientists confirmed the findings? By questioning our assumptions, we can break free from biases and see the world more clearly. We can make fairer judgments and have more meaningful discussions. It's like using a special lens to filter out distortions and see the truth. Humans have always been fascinated by the idea of creating intelligent machines. Machines that can think and learn like us. This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in. AI is like a digital brain that can process information and make decisions. We use AI in our daily lives, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars. But can AI truly think critically? AI can analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns that humans might miss. It can even learn from its mistakes and improve over time. This is similar to how we humans learn and adapt. However, AI's critical thinking abilities are still under development. It relies on the data it's been trained on and the algorithms or sets of rules that guide its decision-making. Section 5. Building the brain of an AI. Imagine building a brain from scratch. That's what it's like to create AI. We use complex algorithms which are like recipes for solving problems. These algorithms help AI process information and make decisions. Just like we train our brains by learning new things, we train AI using massive amounts of data. For example, to teach an AI to recognize cats, we show it thousands of pictures of cats. The more data we feed the AI, the better it becomes at recognizing patterns and making accurate predictions. It's like teaching a child to read by showing them more and more words. Section 6. Teaching AI to think fairly. AI is powerful, but it can also inherit our biases. If we're not careful, the data we use to train AI can reflect our own prejudices. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. For example, an AI used for hiring might unfairly favor certain demographics if the training data contains historical biases. To prevent this, we need to be mindful of the data we use and ensure it's diverse and representative. It's like teaching a child to be fair and just. We need to expose AI to a wide range of perspectives and ensure it doesn't perpetuate harmful stereotypes. Section 7. AI needs to explain itself. Imagine asking an AI why it made a particular decision, and it responds with a jumble of code. That wouldn't be very helpful, would it? explainability is crucial for AI. We need to understand how AI arrives at its conclusions, especially when it comes to important decisions like loan approvals or medical diagnoses. When AI can explain itself, we can identify potential biases, ensure fairness, and build trust in its decisions. It's like having a transparent AI partner that we can collaborate with effectively. Section 8. AI exploring the unknown. One of the most exciting aspects of AI is its potential to explore new possibilities. AI can analyze complex data sets and identify patterns that humans might miss. This can lead to groundbreaking discoveries in fields like medicine, space exploration, and climate change. For example, AI is being used to develop new drugs, design more efficient solar panels, and even predict earthquakes. It's like having a powerful tool that can help us solve some of the world's most challenging problems. AI can also help us understand ourselves better by analyzing data on human behavior. AI can provide insights into our decision-making processes, social interactions, and even our creativity. Section 9. Working together for a brighter future. Critical thinking and AI are powerful tools that can help us navigate the complexities of the 21st century. When combined, they have the potential to unlock incredible advancements and solve some of humanity's greatest challenges. As we continue to develop AI, it's essential to remember that technology is a tool. It's up to us to use it responsibly and ethically. By embracing critical thinking and promoting fairness and transparency in AI, we can create a brighter future for everyone. Let's continue to explore the universe with curiosity, using critical thinking and AI as our guides. The future is full of possibilities, and it's up to us to shape it wisely.